Holy shit, guys, if you ever drank a Long Island iced tea, 5 shots of spirits, it really gets you f***ed up. Today, I'm going to show you how to make it. So guys, the Long Island iced tea, wow, what a drink. It will really put you on your ass very quickly if you are not careful. It is really easy to make at home. We are during isolation, so we may as well just have one really strong drink and then fall asleep on the couch. And this is how to make it, okay guys? So we're going to start with 30 mils of vodka. I'm using 42 below today, which is a New Zealand vodka. Now in Australia, we can't serve a proper Long Island iced tea. We can only do half measures because by law, we can't serve any more than 3 shots of spirit. But I'm going to drink this when I finish it. So the following videos that we make may be a little bit loud and rowdy. So let's see how we go. Number 2, Rooster Rocco Tequila. It's just arrived in Australia recently. I love this tequila. I got to meet Arturo, the master distiller in Miami, just before isolation started. He's a legend and his tequila is incredible. Also makes cenote, by the way. Next up, I'm going to use some triple sec or Cointreau. I love Cointreau as well, 30 mils. We're just building this cocktail, guys, in the glass. Building means just putting all the ingredients into the glass. Don't have to shake it, don't need any special bits of equipment or anything like that. Some gin, Bombay Sapphire. Wow, this is full on. Last but not least, from the booze, I'm going to use some white rum, Bacardi Carta Blanca. Oh. Rightio, looks like a glass of water, but very, very potent. Okay, I'm going to add some ice to that. Now, I heard that back in the day during Prohibition, and I don't know if this story is true, however, never let the truth get in the way of a good yarn. They say that they would make this drink and pour it into teacups and add some lemon juice. So I'm going to add some lemon juice to this drink, and also they would add some cola to it so that if the Prohibition agents came around, they actually looked like tea, like an iced tea, I guess. So I'm going to add just a little bit of cola. I'm going to use Coke in this one. That's about it for the mixer. Give it a bit of a stir with your straw. Let's not use plastic, guys. I'm not a real full-on greenie, however, I do believe that it's great for the environment and for all the turtles out there to use metal straws. Long Island iced tea, guys. I'm going to try this one, okay? I haven't had one for years. I think the last time I had one was in Las Vegas, playing the machines and getting free Long Islands. Holy shit. Yeah, really good. It's not something that I could drink a lot of them, however, it actually balances out pretty well. It's one of those things that I prefer a little bit more Coke in it. Call me weak, call me whatever. And I'm used to drinking straight spirits, but yeah, really good. Guys, make one. Sweet dreams. See you next time.